Hazrat Abu Burda states that Hazrat Abu Moosa Ashari radiyallahu anhu said, I accompanied by two Ashari men, one on my right side, whereas the other on my left side, visited the Prophet sallallahu alaihi wasallam. While Allah's Apostle sallallahu alaihi wasallam was using toothstick, they both asked for some post. He sallallahu alaihi wasallam whereupon said, O Abu Musa, or O Abdullah bin Qais, I submitted by him who sent you with true. They did not open their hearts to me, and I did not know that they were aspirant to posts, as if I were still citing his toothstick pressed under his lips. He sallallahu alaihi wasallam thereupon said, We don't appoint him as a collector, who himself craves for it. But O Abu Musa, or O Abdullah bin Qais, go to Yemen. He sallallahu alaihi wasallam then dispatched Hazrat Muaz bin Jabal radiyallahu anhu after him. When he reached him, he, Hazrat Abu Musa, set a bedding for him and asked him to dismount and sit on it. At that time, a man was there in fetters. He asked, What is it? Hazrat Moosa radiyallahu anhu replied, He was a Jew. Then he embraced Islam, and now he has again lapsed into Judaism. And he then said, Sit down. He said, I will not sit until he is killed, for it is the decree of Allah Jalla Jalaluhu as well as his Apostle sallallahu alaihi wasallam. He repeated it thrice. He thereupon issued orders, and he was killed. Later both discussed the standing nightly vigils. One of them said, I observe standing nightly vigils and sleep as well, anticipating procuring the reward of observing standing nightly vigils, even while sleeping. Sahih Bukhari Hadith number 6923.